Here we come to the elevators at the Biophysics Biochemistry building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. I don't remember if I've done an iPhone take on this before, so that's why I'm doing it right now. Let's right, here we go. Look at that call button. Oh, would you look at that? They both opened up. I'm gonna let you see that again. Put it in 4K mode. Sorry I couldn't catch it in the whole frame, but anyways, let's take this elevator car right here. Let's ride, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's not leveled properly. One and three are burned out on the indicator. Go to one. These are fast. I don't have to worry about setting this up because actually, I'll wait for this one to close. I don't know if this elevator car is still here or not. Look at that, it's not even leveled. Aha! Let's take a ride on this one. Oh, look how under level that is for. It's been so long since I've seen these elevators here. Indicator's completely burned out on this one. Go down to one. Oh, look at that. Replace LED lights. The phone is jammed shut on this one. Installed in 1986. My gosh, these are fast. Only for only 4 stories. For only 4 stories, this is quite fast. So I should close. There it goes, and that's it.